Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to prepare sweet bread rolls. For this first we are going to beat an egg. To avoid the raw egg smell, we can add a few drops of vanilla essence. Egg is ready, set this aside. Now take some bread slices and you can use it how much ever you want. Cut the edges. Now let us roll this as flat as possible. The slices are ready and I am going to spread some peanut butter on the first slice. And this bread we are going to spread some peanut butter on one half and the other half we are going to spread some jam. I'm using mixed fruit jam, you can use any variety. Now let us roll all the bread slices. The bread rolls are ready. Next let us spread some sugar on a plate. Once we have fried the bread roll, we are going to coat it with sugar. So just keep this ready. Now let us coat the bread rolls with the beaten egg. Take a pan, add some butter. The butter got melted. Now let us shallow fry the bread rolls in this. The bread rolls are ready, we can take it out. Roll them on the sugar before it gets warm. You can do this very quickly and your kids will definitely love it. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.